Congress versus the BJP. BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi will address a rally in Uttar Pradesh today. Tight security arrangements have been put in place in view of the communal clashes in Muzaffarnagar. It's Modi's rally in Meerut after Sonia's sowing seeds of poison comment. Now everyone is waiting how Modi will react to Sonia's allegations. While campaigning in Karnataka yesterday, Sonia Gandhi had accused the BJP of sowing seeds of poison by spreading hatred in the country. Sonia's attack on BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate was without in fact naming him. The Congress president described Gulbarg as the center of Sufi saints and urged people not to support those who sow seeds of poison.
ऐसे तत्वों को आप कभी कामयाब नहीं होने देंगे जो जहर की खेती करते हैं, जो समाज को बांटने की राजनीति करते हैं, जो सेक्युलर मूल्यों पर विश्वास नहीं करते हैं और जो हिंसा भड़काने की राजनीति करते हैं.
The BJP hit back almost immediately. Senior leaders claimed that the attack will boomerang on the Congress like the Maut Ka Saudagar jibe made by Sonia 7 years ago in the run-up to the Gujarat Assembly polls.
Elaborate security arrangements have been made for Narendra Modi's 7th rally in Uttar Pradesh. Now this rally, which is happening in Meerut, is quite significant from various angles. Security has been heightened after the Bihar incident. Since this has been a disturbed area, Muzaffarnagar, Meerut is the same belt. There have been communal riots. Therefore, all security precautions are being taken. Though there is no specific threat around this time, but then there is also, all the security precautions in place. Well, this rally is significant from various angles, and some 10 lakh people are expected to take part in this rally from different adjoining districts. People from Muzaffarnagar, Saharanpur, Rampur, Hapur, all these areas, they are expected to join. And what we are getting to know is that Satyapal Singh, the former Mumbai Police Commissioner, is also going to be inducted in the BJP today from this stage. Now, it's a very interesting setting. The weather is slightly inclement. It could be a spoil sport, but then there is a lot of enthusiasm among the people to participate in this rally, which is quite significant from various angles. With camera person Ravikant Totawar, Akhtar Khan in Meerut for Headlines Today.